Good morning, everyone. So, continuing on with some things that you may need. We talked about floppy disks. We've talked about external DVD drives for your laptop. Something you might want to consider also, you could do this yourself or you can bring it to me and I can do it, is if you still have CDs and you need to hang on to those CDs. Now, the thing is we've all got CDs. I've got one around here somewhere. Yeah. CDs are wonderful and great, but the problem is, and I don't know if you'll be able to see this, I'm going to put it up close. Hopefully you can. They do get scratched. And when they get scratched, they can go bad. So with that, sometimes, and I tell a lot of my business clients of this too, most everything is downloadable now. Like if I have to restore a computer and I got to go to get QuickBooks for them, I can go to the QuickBooks website, download the version that they had, put the keys in, and it's fine. But a lot of your older software, especially your game CDs, and stuff like that, you can't download them because the companies are no longer in business or they're no longer supported and so on and so forth. So if you've got CDs or DVDs, one of the things you can do is you can get a piece of software here called ISO Power, or PowerISO, I'm sorry. And what it will do is will make an image of your CD or DVD or Blu-ray. And then it turns it into a computer file, and then that you can put it on a flash drive and stick it away somewhere. Remember, as you've probably heard, I've said this before, if you use these sparingly, you can probably get 5 years out of them. If you use them all the time, they're good for a year. But it'll make a virtual disk of the CD you just copied. And then with Windows 10, you can actually just put the USB in, find the file, and you can do right-click mount, and there it is. So it's really nice to have a little program like this. PowerISO is free to use to a limit. I do strongly encourage, though, if you're going to do a whole bunch of them at one time, go buy it. It's only like $30. If you don't want to do it, bring them to us. We'll do it. And what will happen is you can put all of your CDs, and DVDs and Blu-rays into a virtual format, an ISO format, and then you can store them, like I said, on a flash drive, on a hard drive, external hard drive, whatever, and you can have them for a much longer time. And like I said, they do get scratched, and when they get scratched, then it becomes unreadable, and then you can't install the software again or whatever. So DVDs and CDs, when they came out, was a wonderful tool and invention, but they are, like everything else, they can go bad. So this is a little tool you can use to help with this. The free version, like I said, it will make images for you, but the free version is limited to, I think it's 300 megabytes. So yeah, you can't even do a full CD. So yeah, that's why they want you to do that. The downside to this also, if the DVD that you're trying to copy or the CD or whatever is copyright protected, it will not make an image. Sorry. That's just how the rules are. But if it's your own personal software, a lot of the game CDs will, especially the older ones, will copy. But the only way to know for certain is to make the copy. If it doesn't air out, try and install it off the image. And if it installs, great. But usually if there's copyright protection on the DVD or the CD, it will air out during the process of being made, and it'll tell you, hey, this is copyrighted. Too bad, so sad. But yeah, if you've got tons of these where they are, you need to put them in a more usable, safe, secure format, and then you can get rid of them. Yeah, definitely this little program here, I use it. That's how I make my bootable disks for Windows 10. Windows is nice enough that if you download the Windows 10 media creator, it will create one for you. However, if it doesn't work for you, PowerISO will make that bootable disk or bootable flash drive for you. It's one of the little tools it does. But yeah, if you've got music, movies, the older ones before copyright was put on disc and stuff like that, you can burn them into an image. and then they will last a lot longer, and you don't have to worry about them being scratched, damaged, lost, or whatever, because you'll have them on a flash drive or on your computer or so on and so forth. Like I said, it's $30, well worth it. And like I said, if you don't want to do it, bring it to me. I will do it. We will image your DVDs and CDs and get that taken care of for you, and then we'll put them onto a flash drive. Might be multiple flash drives depending on how many you bring me, or if you bring me a whole bunch of discs and an external hard drive, there you go. We can probably get them all on there. But yeah, it's a nice little program to have, especially if you've got old CDs. Some people have movies from tape that they converted to CD or DVD, and now they're noticing that is getting scratched. This is a way of preserving a copy of it, because then you could take that image actually, and if you've got a DVD burner, you can actually burn the image back to the disc, so you can make unlimited copies at that point. Again, this is why copyright is important. It will not let you do that if it's copyrighted material. So but yeah, this is a way of preserving your existing copies of CDs and DVDs and Blu-rays through this little program here. And like I said, we use it. We've never had an issue with it. We've never tried to copy any copyrighted material either. So there is that little caveat. So, but yeah, that was just something I would bring up because every once in a while we get a request for that, or when we come across it for our business clients who have older versions of QuickBooks on disk or Quicken, and they don't want to spend the money to buy the newest version because they're used to how the old version works. There you go. You can always burn an image and then put that image in a drawer. Trust me, it's easier to store these than it is these. And you don't have to worry about this getting scratched. So yeah, that's the program we use. It's the one we recommend, like I said. And if you don't want to do it yourself, bring it to us. We'll do it for you. So anyways, if you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe. It is down below the video to the right. I know I'm pointing to the left to me. It's the contradiction, but it's to the right. There's that thumbs up, thumbs down. Give it whichever one you want. There is a share button if you wish to share this across social media or in an email or however you want to do it. There is a subscribe button. That only works if you have a Google account or a YouTube account. And if you subscribe, what happens is every time I drop a video, it's usually 7 o'clock in the morning, you'll get a nice little notice up here in the corner when you're on YouTube. It says, hey, there's a video for you to watch. If you don't have either of those, you can always find us over on Facebook. That is our Facebook address there. You just go up in the right-hand corner, type in Computer Garage Ohio. There we are. So, computer problems. There's our phone number. Give us a call. If you're in our service area, we can come to you, or you can come to us. We'll fix your computers and get you taken care of. Hope you found this useful and exciting. You guys have a great day. Talk to you later.